Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace engine air filter in 2011 Chrysler 200. This is gonna apply to Chrysler 200s made from 2011 and all the way up to 2014. This is gonna work on either 3.6 V6 engine or 2.4 4-cylinder engine. First I'm gonna open the hood. Once when you have your hood open, you need to locate your air box, and on this vehicle it is located right here, so driver's side right here. So right under this box you have your engine air filter. To remove that top cover of the box, you will have to loosen up 4 Phillips head screws. So you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. You don't have to remove them completely, just loosen them up. And when that is done, you simply wanna, okay, there's this one. Now when this is done, you simply wanna lift up your cover and you wanna pull the old filter out. So as you can see, old one, new one. This old one is very dirty. That's why we are replacing with the brand new one. Now it is good idea to clean up your air box. So if you have any dirt here inside, you want to make sure you vacuum that and clean it up before installing new air filter. So to gain more access, you can either remove this connector here or the one that goes in the engine. So I had to move it further so I could vacuum a little bit inside, because there were some leaves and some dirt. So I vacuumed as much as I could, and now I'm gonna install brand new air filter inside. So this is only one way that filter can go, and that's the way. So you make sure it's nice. So actually that's the wrong way, I think. So let's see if this way is right way. Yes, so that's the right way. So this one is now fully seated and it's nice and flush. So you make sure you put this air filter the right way so it's not sticking out. Now I'm just gonna connect this little hose over there. Wanna make sure it's all the way in. And now when this top cover is aligned, you can tighten up those 4 screws. And again, for that you're using Phillips screwdriver. And that's it. New engine air filter is installed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.